I smoked him. He's dead 30 yards from the stand.
You got one?
Yes.
Holy mackerel, a 10-pointer?
I think he's a big 9.
Wow, that is tremendous. Thank you, Lord.
Oh my God.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
That's why you don't give up. I'm in a tough spot right now. Super windy, super windy today. Coming in, spike horn came in front of me. I left my camera stand to push me to go to the other stand, but all of a sudden the new stand I put up is hot. I'm 100 yards from the stand. There's a shooter buck chasing a doe underneath it right now. Oh my goodness. It's my own fault. My own fault. Never again am I leaving equipment in the woods. Never. Alright, hopefully this will work from the ground. I got spray on me. I got scrape on me, so he's just chasing his doe around. She's just running circles 10 yards under my stand. Let's go. I just smoked him. I just smoked him. Please, Lord. I just smoked him. He came in. Oh my God, Lord. Dude, I just smoked him. You gotta be kidding me. Yes, dude. Dude, you never give up. This buck was just chasing a doe. Oh my God, it was 3:35. I just smoked him. Dude, you never give up. When you see this come together, I put this stand a couple days ago. It's been hot here. It's a mile drive in, 3/4 of a mile walk. This buck was chasing a doe, 3:35. I was 100 yards from here. Thank you, Lord. I've had a season, man. I've had giants on camera, just not coming together. November 12th, 4:07, 4:05. 40 minutes ago, he was here. I came in the way he was chasing this doe. I don't know what happened. I think it was him. It could be another one. Sat at my stand, got my camera set up, put my bow set up, heard a snap over here. I wasn't even messing around. grabbed my bow, came down, heard something behind me. He's making a scrape 50 yards behind me. Walks right up, came up from down there making a scrape. He walked right in here. At least I can get it. It's so hard to see. Is that it? Somewhere right there is my Illuminoc. Somewhere right there. I think right there is the Illuminoc. I can't even talk. This buck. Saw this all happen sitting in the stand. Look at that. Hold on. This is incredible. Babe.
Hello?
Tag 1 filled.
From...
I just smoked a buck.
What?
I
I
just...
know you were hunting.
Yes.
Which one is it?
It's a big 9-point. I don't know exactly what he is, but I was 100 yards from the stand, and a big giant 8-point was chasing a doe, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm 100 yards away at 3:35. I sit in my stand. I'm not even set up. I'm 5 minutes in my stand. He comes up 15 yards. I smoked him. He dropped 30 yards.
You got him?
He's down 30 yards. I'm looking at him. I'm out of my stand.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, I haven't even got down
All right, well,
from
let me leave so I can call you.
Okay.
I'll call you back.
Well, I need to get down
Bye-bye.
from the stand. Bye. I love you. I'm like a wreck. Trying to put a rope in here. Look at this. Look at the rope. Oh man, you keep adjusting, keep moving. Dragged this stand in here on Sunday. Body's paying for it. But this happened because I kept pushing. The shifting. Everything was shifting. Everything was changing. You know, it's a game you got to keep riding out, man, and you just got to keep pushing. It'll drain you. I did everything. I mean, I've only hunted probably like 10 times, trying to get everything right. Still scouting. Scouting never stops. The wind helped me. I mean, he came out of the valley. He actually came out of, if this is a 9-pointer, one of the first sets of sheds I found in here was a 9-point. Literally 40 yards from where I saw him. So, it's incredible. You just can't stop. You can't. Running these scents in here, running. 5 shooters in here. He's not one of the giants, but he is respectable. And I haven't shot many bucks with bow. I don't even know the last time I shot a buck in Massachusetts with a bow. To be honest with you, I think, God, it's been a long time. Long time. Holy crap. It did it. God bless us, you gotta believe. There's the arrow. There's my hole right there where I shot him through. Right there. Go check him out. Everyone watching, man. You gotta keep pushing. Oh, he's pretty. It is. I think it's a big 9. Pretty buck. The angle he was, look at that. Big 9-point. Bled right out. Exactly like the sheds I found years ago. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for the blessing. Got this buck working that mock. Got the crew coming out. Got Joe up front. JR to the left. Matt on the right. We're going in. Wish us luck.